Today we're going to be talking about the Porter Cable 6-gallon portable electric Pancake air compressor. This Porter Cable air compressor has two regulated factory installed air couplers to easily support 2 users. This air compressor is going to be your typical 3-prong, should be 120 volt plug-in. This unit includes a water drain valve and rubber feet. There is a oil-free pump, so there's no maintenance on it. It's a 6-gallon Pancake style tank for stability purposes. This unit is actually 150 psi max tank pressure. It's only 30 pounds, so it's actually not too bad to carry around in general. As you can see, I just turned this compressor on, and you're going to need to give it anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes to build up the proper pressure needed to get started. Once the pressure is built up, you do have a regulator in front of the unit. You just kind of turn that up, and that's going to actually build up the regulated pressure needed for whatever you're trying to do. In this case, I'm actually going to be putting some air in the tires of my vehicle. You can actually see the pressure gauge going up. Once your tank is filled up, you can actually go about filling up your tire. The tire inflator gauge that I'm going to be using is a Campbell Hosfield. You can actually get them off at Amazon for very cheap. The unit is very small in general. Actually comes with a flexible hose to make it easy to fill your tire up in general. And the latch that comes with it also attaches onto your tire gauge, so it will not pop off while you're using it. On my car, which is a Honda Accord, actually the max tire pressure is actually going to be 41 psi. The Porter Cable Pancake compressor and the Campbell Hosfield tire inflator work very well together, and I would recommend them to anybody out there that has a shop or a garage in general. So I'm going to leave the links for both of these items down in the description if you're interested in checking them out for yourself.